Who says you can't change the world? We're ready. Are you? Ready to improve human health. Ready to create healthy, thriving communities. Ready to improve quality of life. If you're ready to start your future in health, Monash is ready for you. From day one, you'll gain hands-on experience, learning in clinics, labs, and real community settings. You'll follow your passion and connect with your interests through flexible study options that let you explore health from every angle. And when you graduate, you'll be career ready, you'll be in high demand, and you'll be equipped with practical skills, professional capabilities, and real-world experience. So, are you ready?